Hey guys, welcome to the sixth lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Ektal. It has 12 matras. The breakup is there in two ways. At first, Trimatrik, which is 3/3/3/3, and the second is Dimatrik, which is 2/2/2/2/2/2/2, which sums up to 12. And in today's lesson, we will follow the first order, which is Trimatrik. These alankars are very important as these will help you to remember the reed board thoroughly through your fingers. Now, it's time to go and have a look into the lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the tempo will be 110 BPM and the pitch will be B2. In today's new lesson, we will teach you how to play the alankars in Vilambit Lay, that is at slow speed, and Madhya Lay, which is in medium speed. Now let's look at the alankar which we are going to learn today to play it with the harmonium. You can note it down in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit Lay. Ascending order, descending order. Now let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit Lay. Next up, Madhya Lay. The alankar for Madhya Lay is same as Vilambit Lay. The difference is that in Vilambit Lay, each line gets completed in 12 beats. For Madhya Lay, each line should be completed in 6 beats. Let's see how it is done. Well, that was Madhyalay. And with that, today's lesson ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 7th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.